A lot of beginner barbers have trouble when it comes to fading, and they often get lost in the steps. So in this video, I made this diagram to walk you guys through it. Whether you're doing a taper or a fade, you're doing the same thing at its core, and that's making a transition from light to dark. So in this example, this is one of the most common tapers. This would be considered a mid taper. So as you can see here, we have 3 levels. The bottom level is the skin level, which will be done with the trimmer. We're going to be going from skin level to a light level of hair. Then we're going to blend to transition to a medium level of hair. And then we're going to transition into a dark level of hair. And then from here, everything has to be blended into the top. A good rule of thumb for a taper is to stop it at the top of the ear. So we're transitioning from no hair to light hair. And to do that, we're going to take the clipper with the lever fully open and make a guideline this distance. So next, how do you get from skin to this level? So you open the lever right here. So to get from skin level to light hair, you're going to start at the bottom and close the lever. Closing the lever is going to remove this line right here. Next, you're going to open the lever and blend up a little bit more. Then you're going to open the lever one more time and blend right up under that line. And that's what will create that transition from skin to light. Next, you have to go from light to medium. So this is where you would take normally your one guard. And I tell people the steps with the one guard. Lever open to create this line right here. So all you're doing, you're making a line and then you're blending up to it. So this is lever open. Then you blend at the bottom with the lever closed. Then you open the lever halfway and blend out this area. Now there's still going to be a faint line right here. So what you're going to do, there are 2 things you can do. You can take your half guard with the lever about halfway or maybe 1 notch open and then close it, and this will blend this out. Or you can use the corner of your blade and flick this area out, and that will get rid of that line. So at that point, you will have blended from skin to light to medium. Now what's left is to blend from medium to dark. And this is a weight line. So what you're doing in essence is getting rid of this weight line. So to get this line out, you would take your 1.5 guard. It really just depends on how low or how high the hair is. So usually you would take a 1.5 guard and blend this area right here. You would go up to this point and this would remove that weight line. And sometimes you would have to open the lever and close it, but that usually will get rid of this weight line. And depending on the hair texture, another technique that you can use to get rid of this weight line is you can rake down with the lever fully open on the clipper. And that's how you create that transition from skin to light to medium to dark.